Hey everyone, welcome back to Photoshop PixelFie. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to remove fence, so let's jump right in. First things first, let's create a duplicate layer. To do this, press Ctrl plus J on your keyboard. This keeps our original image safe while we edit. Next, pick the brush tool from the toolbar, or just hit B on your keyboard. Make sure your foreground color is set to black. This is important for the next step. Press Q to enter Quick Mask Mode. You'll notice the layer will turn red as we begin to paint. Now, carefully paint over the fence area. Take your time to cover the parts you want to remove. The red overlay shows what you're masking. Once done, press Q again to exit Quick Mask Mode, and this will turn your painted area into a selection. Now let's invert the selection by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus I. This will select the fence. With the selection active, go up to Edit in the top menu and choose Content-Aware Fill. Photoshop will analyze the surrounding area and fill in the selection. And there you have it. The fence is gone, just like magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Photoshop PixelFie for more awesome tips, and drop a comment below with what you'd like to see next.